it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video straight off of work. And the one thing I want to have right now is a cup of tea, and I am going to have some with this jar right here. So I'm going to show you how to make, you know, those spiced cider packets that you pick up like at the grocery store, especially around the holidays. I'm going to show you how to make that. It's apple tea with just the right amount of cinnamon and sugar, so it's not too sweet, and it just feels like a warm hug. So if you feel like you need more of that in your life, this is the recipe you want to watch. So you already know. Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. First thing you're going to do is take your washed apple and slice it very thinly. Once you've got the thin slices, go ahead and line a baking tray with some parchment paper and spread out all of the apple pieces. I'm also going to show you how to do this if you have an air fryer with dehydrating settings. Otherwise, you can follow the first version where you see the baking tray and parchment paper. So in my air fryer, I'm setting it to dehydrate. I'm putting it to 165 degrees, and I am going to set the time for about 3 hours. Now, if you're going to be doing this in your oven, you want to use the same settings. So oven to 160 degrees for 3 hours. When they finish baking, they should look something like this, or in the air fryer like this, and they should snap. So you want a nice crisp snap. Then you're going to add them to your food processor. Make sure you get every bit of your apple. Then add in some brown sugar. Add in a little bit of some turmeric, add in some cinnamon, add just a pinch of black pepper, and then a sprinkle of some salt. And then you guessed it, the lid is gonna go on and you're gonna pulse until everything is fine. So now you'll need your tea strainer, and I'm putting just a little bit. You can do as little or as much as you like, depending on how strong you like your tea, but that's it. So good. Let me know what you think in the comment section below.